Hello, my name's Duncan. I'm on the acting course and I'm going to be taking you around Duke Street Riverside. First of all, look where we are. This is the campus and that's the city just over there. We are seconds away from anything you want. Inside, there's around 100 rooms, and downstairs is teaching, and just across the way is where the library is. This is the ideal place to live because you are in the city. I'm going to take you to the social space and to let you see a flat. Come on. This is the social area for Duke Street Riverside residencies. This is where you can come to sit and have a drink with friends, flat, or even people you don't know. There's beautiful views of the river and the cathedral. It's just a nice place to be. To my left here is the accommodation office, where you can go if you have any questions, queries, or if you're just a little nervous on your first few days. Down from that's the laundry room, where you can go to do all your laundry. You just get this card here, you tap it on the machine, and you're go. We're now in a bedroom in Duke Street Riverside. These are ensuite bedrooms. There is 10 to 12 in each flat. They come with small double beds and storage under the bed for all your needs. They also have bookcases for any books you want to put up there. And they have a bedside table along with a big long desk. There's an accessible room in most flats, and they have wet rooms as well within them instead of an ensuite in case you need it. This is the place in the flat where you can come, cook some food, have some dinner, and just spend time with your flat and get to know them and get to know who they are. There's some couches just over there where you can bring some appliances in and watch some TV. The kitchen comes fully equipped with everything you'd expect, from toasters to kettles to ovens to microwaves to sinks. He also even has an island and a breakfast bar where you can eat and prepare food. It has fridges and freezers included as well, along with lots of cupboard space for everyone to use. It is important to note that all your bills are included, and this includes Wi-Fi, so you can connect to it as you like. There is also bike storage if you would like to store your bike or keep it safe and locked up, so you can travel around the city in style. Thanks for joining me and taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested in coming to stay at Duke Street Riverside, go to the website and look at Duke Street Riverside on there, or email the accommodation team.